Cuddling kids. Cuddling kids. It's summertime and it's getting hot outside. Good thing I have a watermelon fan to keep me cool. Would you like to learn how to make your own fan? If so, stick around after our sneak peek story time to find out how. Speaking of story time, let's find out what our book is today. The Watermelon Seed. What a great summertime book. The Watermelon Seed by Greg Pizzoli. I love watermelon! Chomp, chomp, chomp! Ever since I was a teeny tiny baby crocodile, it's been my favorite. Chomp, slurp, chomp. I just swallowed a seed. It's growing in my guts. Soon vines will come out of my ears. Oh, here's the seed. Never again. Well, maybe just a teeny tiny bite. Craft time. You will need these supplies to make our watermelon fan. Washable paint, a glue stick, a large popsicle stick, paint brushes, a white paper plate, and a stapler, but make sure your parents help you with the stapler. Have your parents fold your paper plate in half and staple it closed. You will need your green paint, a large paintbrush. Now let's paint the green watermelon rind. Make sure you paint both sides. Get your red paint ready. And clean your paintbrush or use a new one. Now let's paint that watermelon. This is a very juicy red. Of course, you have to paint both sides. After your paint has dried a little bit, we'll use our black paint and a small paintbrush to paint on those watermelon seeds. Be sure to paint both sides. Put a little bit of glue on both sides of your popsicle stick. Now poke the popsicle stick into the watermelon fan. You can also ask your parents to staple the popsicle stick. Our crocodile friend loves watermelon. What's your favorite summertime treat? For the full story, please purchase this book or check it out at your local library. For more Cuddling Kids, please subscribe.